Yeah. So let us try to understand some of the basic definitions of what is meant by project and how does it differ with regards to Prince2 and PMP. So on the screen you can see what is the definition of project. So a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. That is what is the definition which you see in PMBOK or PMI. So if you see the definition of project according to Prince2, then a project is a temporary organization that is created for the purpose of delivering one or more business products according to the agreed business case. So let us try to understand, what is the definition of this. So you can see certain things, right? So there is something called as temporary in both the definition. And what is the other thing which you are seeing common in both the definitions, right? So product is another term which you see common in both the definitions. So both are saying, both are defining the project in similar way, whether it is PMP or, when I interchangeably use the terms called as PMI, PMBOK or PMP. So, everything is same, right? So if you see the definitions, definitions are, pointing to the same direction. Both says that a project is temporary thing and it is basically used in order to create a product, right? And you see something different here, which is nothing but according to agreed business case. So I'll tell you what is meant by agreed business case. So just a question to everyone, why do we take up a particular project? Maybe anyone can unmute and answer this. Why do you want to do a project?
It's a customer needs, it's temporary arrangement of kind of business needs, and they need the people who can manage the project of their business requirement.
Exactly. I mean, you told the same. You told it correctly, because normally, if it is a service-based company, so they'll be coming to your company if you are a service provider. So they will typically come up with some kind of business problem, right or wrong? They'll be coming up with business problem. So they say that this is what is the problem they have, and they may come up with solution, or otherwise they may come to you asking if you guys can provide a solution. So typically business case plays a very vital role in order to understand why we are taking that particular project. And when I am talking with regards to business case, every business deals with profits, right or wrong? So whenever we are talking about business, so it means you know profit, right? So it could be in terms of money, or it could be in different ways, but more or less every business or every project is related to profits, right? So in Prince2, according to the definition, this focuses on business case. That means why we are taking this particular project, what is the profit, what is return on investment if this project is getting completed. So all these things will be documented in a particular document, and that document is called as a business case. And Prince2 emphasizes on this particular document, whereas PMP in its definition, they don't focus on this particular document. So that's what is a slight difference between PMP and Prince2. So in PMP, they say that you need to complete the project, and in Prince2 definition, they say that you have to complete that particular project or deliver that particular thing. The only thing is there should be a business justification. If there is no business justification, Prince2 project doesn't start at all.